Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of using the View As mode in Facebook on your PC. This feature allows you to see how your profile appears to others, ensuring your privacy settings are in check. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting www.facebook.com. Step 2. On the top right corner of the page, click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Privacy Center. Step 5. Now go to the Settings tab. Step 6. Click on Facebook Settings from the options provided. Step 7. Choose the profile for which you want to use the View As mode. Step 8. In the Profile Settings, go to Profile and Tagging. Step 9. Scroll down until you find the View As option. By following these simple steps, you can easily use the View As mode in Facebook to ensure your profile is displayed as intended. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks.